Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a no contact reading for Leo. Let's see what do the cards have for us. This is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So let's see what do the cards have for us. Okay. So this is a no contact reading. The roles can be reversed. It can be you or your person's energy on through the cards we will see. Okay. Okay. Let's see. What is the current energy in this situation? What is the overall current energy in this situation? What is the overall current energy in this situation? Alright. What are the thoughts of the person here for you, Leo? What does the person think of you, Leo? Okay. What does the person feel for you? 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 Right. Why have they gone silent? Why this is a no communication? Why there is no communication? Why there is so much silence in this connection? Why there is so much silence in this connection? Alright. What is blocking this connection? Okay. Alright. What is the next move, if any, in next 1 to 2 weeks from now? What is the next move, if any, in 1 to 2 weeks from now? Okay. What is the advice for you here, Leo? What is the advice for you here? What is the advice for you here? Bottom of the deck we have Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is basically for you a communication is coming in. It is definitely for your good, but let's see the detailed messages through the cards. Okay, so okay, the current energy here in this connection, in this no contact situation, is being closed off. So either you or the person here is closed off and not looking for the opportunity being offered, or the options being, or the proposals being offered by the universe to you, and you are being closed off and focusing on what you have lost or what is not available to you anymore. And somewhere feeling, even if you have everything, you are focusing on what you do not have. At the same time, you're not ready to grab the opportunity being offered by the universe. Now universe doesn't mean the universe itself. It will be through people, right? It can be through your loved one, through friends, through family members, anybody. But whatever you're looking for in this connection is being offered to you, but you are kind of closed off. Yeah, let's see what does the person think here about you. So the person thinks you are a free spirit kind of person. You are very, you bring light. You bring light through your presence, basically, and they feel good about this connection. It's a life force kind of thing. You kind of bring uh, motivation, or you have the innocence, a childlike innocence somewhere. Okay, it's a pure heart connection basically. But let's see then, why has this gone into a no contact thing? The person feels for you here is they want to make a move towards you, but they are being very calculative, making so many plans in their head, making so many strategies in their head, but not taking any action. That doesn't make sense, right? So if you have plans, you need to take an action, because until and unless you take an action, everything will be in your head. You will never know what is going to happen. So either it is your energy or your person's energy, but there is so much of thoughts and plans and strategies running in, but no action being taken. I don't see right now. So the person definitely wants to make a move, but they are just thinking. Everything is in their head. They are just kind of creating scenarios in their head, in their mind, and not doing anything about actual situation. Okay, Yeah, let's see what's happening. Why are they silent? See, they are. See here. Everything is running in their head. They want to make a move, but they are not clear. Okay, they everything is running in their mind. All the plans and strategies. They are ready to make a move, but not actually taking a move. It's like, I will do it. I will reach out to my goal, but I'm not moving forward. I'm just standing in a position and I'm planning to reach out to a particular goal, right? That doesn't work that way, right? So lack of movement, lack of decision, lack of determination is basically causing the silence here. It can be from your person or your energy, but that is what I see. Lack of action is causing the delay or the silence here. See, everything is about movement. What is blocking this connection? Again, the lack of movement. Everything is running here. See, everything is about movement, right? So here it should be like this, sorry. So it should be like, everything is in mind. They are ready to take a move, but they are afraid of the outcome of the action. So even if they plan to move ahead, but they are very afraid of the outcome. They are not very clear about it. They are not sure how the situation will turn out, in whether be it in your favor, in their favor. What kind of reaction will my Leo give? I'm not sure. So they are kind of not very confident in making a move. That is what I feel. Yeah, but they should if they want to. What is the next move, if any? So they definitely look for a a reunion, a family kind of thing. But the action here is, they might reach out, but I think if they reach out, you need to have that clarity that whatever is happening, you are very clear on what you want in this connection. This person wants a family, this person wants a connection, but you at the same time needs to be very clear on what do you want. Okay, so yeah, there is a communication coming in, that is for sure. And there may be a proposal also, I see. But let's see what is the advice for you. Okay, so the advice for you here is to listen to what do you want in your relationship. It is like, you need to decide whether you need to follow a family tradition also or not. Are you too much stuck into that situation that you are being called to follow a certain tradition or not? You need to see that. And it also, at the same time, you need to listen to your intuition. And how you can do it? By doing some meditation. Okay, there may be some kind of information which may be revealed to you, which is hidden from you right now. Okay, that is also I see. So you need to look into all the perspective, all the angles, and then look at the situation from different angles, and then take a call. Okay, so that's the advice for you. What does your heart say? What do you think you need to do that. Okay, don't get influenced by other people. It may be like you are influencing other people, which is a good thing, but at the same time, for what is good for your highest good, you need to focus on that, right? So that's the advice for you. Let's see what are the messages we have for you. We will take out 3 messages. So, reunion. I see there is, as I said, there is a communication coming in, right? So it can be somebody you already knew, or it can be reunion with family, with friends, or with the closed ones. But there is a reunion happening. And what else is happening in next 1 to 2 weeks? Focus. You need to focus. You need to focus what you want in your life. If you don't focus on what you want, nobody else can decide for you. It's you who has to take a call. What is for your highest good? Plan. You need to have a proper plan. Okay, you need to have a proper plan on what do you want in your relation, and then you need to see how you can move forward for that. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.